Grazie a tutti e l'ultimo libro, non per importanza, Clear Orbit.
So, can you hear me? Yeah. Good afternoon, everybody. I'll try to deliver this speech in English. What's this problem that we are addressing? It's the problem of the satellite debris and space debris. And we have searched with our research that the main problem is that everyone focuses about the recovery phase of these satellites, and then the orbiting phase. We opted actually to eliminate, to reduce the recovery phase and go straight to the orbiting phase. So our scope actually is to, as you can see, to ensure safety and sustainability, and we do this with our let's say a hybrid approach. So we actually use two propulsive systems actually. The first one is the drag sails that are ultra lightweight and deployable structures, and we use this the drag sails with as a propulsive system, and also we use this in order to augment the other propulsive systems that are passive systems that are particular embedded micro propulsive systems that we also use to adjust the trajectory of the satellite. So actually we have this hybrid approach. On one hand, to use this drag solar panel to use the solar wind, and on the other hand, this solar panel is capable of alimenting these propulsive systems that is capable to deorbit the satellite and also to adjust the trajectory of the satellite. So we can say that our is a anti-fragile approach, because we are not robust and we are not fragile, but we with this let's say hybrid approach, as I said before, we can either use these systems in low Earth orbit satellites, so LEOs, using the drag sails. But also we can go higher, let's say, and use the other propulsive system. This is our solution. Now let's focus on the market landscape. So the current market size is estimated at 15-30 million, and the main problem is that we have seen that roughly every debris that impacts the spaceships and other satellites that are going in the orbit actually cause damage that I estimated to be $100 million US. So our primary clients and partners will be the companies that are planning. They are planning to launch a system, a space shuttle, in order to reduce the damages caused by these debris, the satellite debris. We also have forecast analysis with a CAGR, so compounded annual growth rate of about 30%, let's say, to be conservative. And as I said before, we not firstly aim at very big companies, but we aim at companies like Thales, Alenia, and Biblioteca, in order to test and develop this idea, and maybe later on to to deliver this method, this solution to other companies, as well as to be international and to be used in important organizations. That's it. Thank you for your attention.
Sorry. Just a question from the register. My colleagues that works on the solar wind. He said there is a problem of maneuverability of the satellite. So you say that
it's a deployable. It's deployable.
It's a passive way of working.
Yeah, it's a passive system.
Okay, then if you I translate from my Italian to if you take something, so you hope that small parts pass in front of your satellites. If you can catch these, it's okay.
No, I think that the PXA is attached to the satellite.
We don't intend to capture the satellite with our wing drag sail. We intend to install the system, the hybrid system, in every satellite that is going in orbit, and it's like we are solving the problem to the root cause. We are not collecting the satellites, but we are providing the satellites with this hybrid solution, so that as the life of the satellites, the cycle ends, we have provided enough energy with the drag sails in order to fulfill the need of the propulsive system that helps us to do the recovery phase.
I have a very quick question because I think we're running out of time. My question is related to the customer you're intending to basically sell your sail to.
Yeah.
In particular, are you intending to sell to direct customers like company manufacturing satellites, to big agencies, national agencies? What are your customers?
So as I said, the problem is that for every debris that impacts on a spaceship, for example, there are hundreds of millions of dollars of costs. So we are aiming at, firstly, at small companies, directly on small companies like Tiles Alena or smaller than the most famous ones, of course. So yes, to answer your question, direct
companies.
Yes, so it's a B2B, for example, business to business, and not business to customer.
Thank you.
Are there any questions?
Did you manage to communicate with one of those companies, potential customers, or maybe
fictionally?
No. Maybe I'll rephrase in that stage. But how do you plan to reach out to those companies in order for them to tell you to verify your solution? Say, yeah, this is a problem that we would like to solve, and your solution does make sense to us. How would you do that? Did you give it some thought?
Like, for example, giving presentation like we are just doing here.
Yes, but how do you reach out to them? Who are they? How do you prioritize them? This is something that, if we did not address right now, this is something for you to consider after this event. If you want to push it forward as a way for you to verify your solution.
Maybe we can push forward and focus on the fact that our, as you see, there are other teams that have the same idea, similar ideas, but we can focus on the fact that our is a hybrid approach that uses wind solar energy, and how to contact these companies.
To be further elaborated.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.